Oh, I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited for this. I'm going to be doing, I tried following a insert name here hair tutorial, and I'm pretty sure you all have seen these videos going around. I'm going to be following Kid Sheldy's video. I'm going to try to do his curly hair routine. We have different hair types. His hair is not damaged. My hair is severely damaged, so not having high hopes for this, but we'll see how it goes. So let's just start. Let's just start.
So for today, I'm just going to be using 3 simple products that you can probably find at your local beauty store or Walmart probably. So my hair has already been co-washed. It's damp, closer to dry.
My hair has also been washed. My hair is more wet, closer to dry. I mean wet, closer to wet. Damp, closer to wet. Yeah.
That's just how I like my hair. And so I'm just sectioning off my hair. Sections aren't perfect. Just trying to, work in smaller sections to get better results. I'm going to be taking the Curl and Style milk.
Okay, so I went to Sally's and I bought this Curl and Style milk. I've never used this before. If I don't like it, I'm going to return it. I'm going to give it a fair chance though, because my hair is damaged, so I will, try it out for a while before I decide if I'm going to return it or not. We'll see. Wait, what?
And I'm simply applying this product, smoothing it in, as you can see right there.
Okay, I'm going to start on my least damaged section. This is the most damaged because it has the heat damage. The rest is just... Anyways, I'm going to start on this section.
The only product I'm actually going to comb or rake through my hair is the Eco Styler Gel, as you'll see in a minute. I'm actually combing that into my hair with my...
Hold on, wait. Alright. What? What? Come on. Ooh. Oh, okay. Did not expect it to be so thick. I mean, it says milk, so I don't know. I expected it to be... Oh, that's a lot. Kind of runny-ish. That is thick. That is thick.
And I'm simply applying this product, smoothing it in, as you can see right there. The only product I'm actually going to comb or rake through my hair is the Eco Styler Gel, as you'll see in a minute. I'm actually combing that into my hair with my fingers, not combs, because combs on my hair, they do not work well together. So first I'm simply just applying the gel, of course, and then you'll see me later actually go in.
Hold on. Alright, so now let's go in with the gel.
And then rake it in with my hands. Now the purpose of actually breaking this in is to actually define my curls, because the Curl and Style milk is more of a leave-in kind of product, and so the gel is really going to get in there and define.
Hold on. Ain't no raking going on for me. Hold on. It is... Ooh. I think I need to wet my spray bottle's all the way over there. And it's empty. Yeah, ain't no raking going on for me. My hands is not gonna go through. Let me get my spray bottle. I thought I was prepared for everything, but no. I gotta fill the spray bottle with water. Struggle. You think you prepare for a video by getting everything you need and putting it beside you, but no, you forget the freaking spray bottle because you just forget things. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water. He said his hair was damp, closer to dry. I'm gonna need my hair damp, closer to wet. Some more gel. Boy. Boy, I need more gel. I need more water. I need more everything. That's something.
So I'm just repeating that for the rest of my hair, I guess.
Oh my god, I'm getting water all over my laptop. Oh my god, stop. Oh my god, too much water, too much water. God damn it. How did water get up there? Curl and Style milk, that is more of a smoothie. Okay, let me move my laptop because clearly the water is just gonna go wherever it wants to go. Work it in, work it in, work it in. A little bit more water. Ah, my nail.
Then I'm just going to go in and blow dry.
Oh, hold on, we're not there yet. We are not there. But this is going to be some expectations versus reality type stuff.
Then I'm just going to go in and blow dry right here. And I'm using the cool setting. That's all I use. I don't use hot air when I'm blow drying my hair because I don't want heat damage.
Okay, so I'm confused. I don't know if I missed it, but I don't recall him using the oil, so I guess I'll just use the oil. So it's a mixture of various oils. So we're just gonna use this. I don't even know what to say, man. I am done the blow dryer on high heat because I don't have the patience to sit here and use cool air on my hair. I feel like if I let it air dry, it would have turned out better. Still would have turned out horribly, but turned out better. But the blow dryer just... My hair's not fully dry, it's like 80%. It's like 90% dry. Let's look at his results. Let's compare results here. Oh, Afropic. There's a chance to redeem this. Not really, but there's a chance. Why do I not know where things are? Just use the Afro. Oh, there it is.
Out the pick, you can probably get like that type of pick from Sally's. That's where I got mine. And I really take my time picking out my hair because, as we all know, day one curls are usually flat. So these are my final results. This generally lasts me for like a week or so, and then I just repeat the exact same process. Not with the exact same products, but you get the gist. If you have any comments, questions, or anything like that, leave it down below, or even through my Instagram, Snapchat, whatever. I will leave all that information in the description box below. That is all I have for you guys today. So I will see you next time.
This was a complete success. My hair came out looking exactly like his. But yeah, yeah, this was horrible. This was a fail, as expected, but wow. Alright, so I refuse to waste the products that I have put into my hair. These products are not going to go to waste because I'm going to do a flat twist out or something. I'm not going to wear this as a hairstyle. Definitely not. Flat twist out, here we come. This video doesn't even deserve an outro, just whatever.